I like vegetable a lot because they keep us healthy, right? So that's how I thought of making one more video which is related to vegetable phrases. So let's get started. Let's begin with the first phrase, which is couch potato, which means somebody who is very lazy. After a long week at work, Radhika became couch potato. Now she is on the bed only. Our next phrase is know your onion, which means to understand your work or your subject. The new manager knows his onion nicely because he is working very smoothly. Our next phrase is pea brain, which means somebody who is not very intelligent. Rohan has a pea brain because he is unlocking the lock with wrong key. Come on, Rohan. I hope you like the phrases, so let's use them in the comment and let me know what more you want to learn about English. Bye bye.